Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Kham, a delicious Thai leaf-wrapped snack. To begin, you'll need to gather your essential ingredients. The star of the show is the fresh betel leaf, which acts as our edible wrapper. We'll also prepare a vibrant array of fillings, including finely diced fresh ginger, thinly sliced shallots, and small cubes of lime, rind included. Don't forget the crunchy elements like roasted peanuts, fragrant toasted shredded coconut, and savory dried shrimp. Finally, a rich, sweet, and savory palm sugar sauce ties all these wonderful flavors together. Next, let's create the heart of Kham, its incredible sauce. Start by toasting key ingredients such as shrimp paste, galangal, and some shredded coconut until they are fragrant. Then, using a mortar and pestle, pound these toasted items together with roasted peanuts until you achieve a fine, aromatic paste. Transfer this mixture to a saucepan, adding palm sugar, a touch of fish sauce, and about 100 milliliters of water. Gently simmer the sauce, stirring occasionally, until it reduces and thickens to a beautiful, rich, and dippable consistency. Now for the fun part, assembling your Kham bites. Arrange all your beautifully prepared fillings, the diced ginger, shallots, lime, roasted peanuts, toasted coconut, and dried shrimp, alongside your delicious sauce on a large serving platter. To create a bite, simply take one fresh betel leaf and place it gently in the palm of your hand. Add a small pinch of each filling onto the center of the leaf, customizing each bite to your preference. Finally, drizzle a generous spoonful of your homemade sweet and savory sauce over the top of the fillings. To truly savor Kham, carefully fold the betel leaf around all the delicious fillings, creating a neat, small, edible parcel. Make sure all the vibrant ingredients are securely tucked inside the leaf. The key is to enjoy the entire wrapped bite in one go, allowing all the distinct flavors and textures to meld together on your palate. Prepare for a delightful explosion of sweet, sour, salty, and spicy tastes, along with a satisfying crunch. It's a truly unique and refreshing culinary experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.